Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be taking a look at two popular grooming tools from Philips, the Philips Oneblade Replacement Blade and the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body. Get ready for some trimming, edging, and shaving action. Let's dive in. The Philips Oneblade Replacement Blade is priced at $30, while the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body is priced at $49. The OneBlade Replacement Blade is a more affordable option. The Philips Oneblade Replacement Blade is designed to trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. It has a glide coating and rounded tips to protect your skin. It also boasts two blades that can last up to 8 months. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body comes with the innovative 360 blade that can flex in all directions, adjusting to the curves of your face. It also includes a 5-in-1 stubble comb and a body comb for an even trim on both your face and body. The Philips Oneblade Replacement Blade comes with just the replacement blades themselves. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body includes a 360 blade for your face, a blade for your body, a 5-in-1 comb for your face, a skin guard for sensitive areas, a body comb, and even a USB-A charging cable. The Philips Oneblade Replacement Blade is known for its smooth and comfortable shaving experience. It's great for those who want a close shave without irritating their skin. The Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body takes the user experience to another level with its design that enables constant skin contact and control. It also includes a skin guard for extra protection on sensitive areas and can be used wet or dry, with or without foam. Based on online reviews, the Philips Oneblade Replacement Blade is praised for its superior performance and precision, making it a convenient and cost-effective option. Reviewers also highlight its smooth and comfortable shaving experience. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body is highly recommended for its versatility, innovative design, and close shave. Users appreciate its time-saving benefits and long-lasting battery. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the Philips Oneblade Replacement Blade and the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body, and each has its own strengths. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable option, the OneBlade Replacement Blade might be the right choice for you. But if you want the ultimate grooming experience with all the bells and whistles, the Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body is the way to go. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below telling us which product you prefer and why. The product links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more comparisons to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Stay smart and buy smart.